How long does it take for the?
It's in public record already, but it's going to take a few weeks for the property appraiser to update their records.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Here it is, the money.
Did you bring your phone in?
Hmm?
You bring your phone in? Yeah, take a picture of this.
Yep. So, what's going on? We got the Queen of Deeds rolling out, and we're in. Where we at? We're in St. Petersburg.
We're in St. Pete right now.
All right, so we're in St. Petersburg, Florida. She's doing the damn thing again, y'all. She's doing the damn thing again. All right, so what we got over here? Well, we're not gonna show that, but
We need to get those photos.
yeah, we're gonna get some photos. So what'd you just do? Let's talk about it real quick.
So, just recorded a deed to the property out in Clearwater that Najiba found. So just solidifying that deal.
Okay, so we got his Staples.
Yeah, we got it at the Staples.
And we got some work to do down here. And where can people find you to talk to you again? It's getting closer and closer to people in your hometown, in your inner circle. We are now doing it in Florida. Same old thing.
So, guys can reach me at www.timewithjanelle.ncl.xyz www.timewithjanellandcl.xyz.
Yeah, so it's not cutting off, but maybe you can do it.